Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this animation very easy in FlipaClip. This is a BFDI animation, Battle for Dreamland animation, also called Object Show, I guess. So I'm going to be animating firing in FlipaClip, and I hope you guys will be able to learn a lot from this video. Well, I've already started the project, and let me just test out some few things and adjust some few settings that I'll be using in the animation throughout. Okay, first thing first, I start with the fire. Well, as you know, fire ray is fire. So what you have to do is make 5 frames of the fire movement. The reason why you have to do this is so that it wouldn't look stiff like all those not professional animations that we see in the internet. We need our own to look a little bit spicy, so we do the outside fire and the inside fire, which we still need to be making it move so that it will look better than normal. And also, if you don't know how to animate fire, I have something at the end of this video that can really help you in making fire animation. Now I color it in, and that shouldn't take long, but the outside and the inner part I color both of them. Then after I duplicate it as much as I want, now I have to start doing the hands and the leg. Very easy, right? So you duplicate the leg and hand that you don't want to be moving. Then once you do that, you have to start animating the hands, which you do like this. Remember, in ease in and ease out, it has to first start moving slow before it starts moving fast. Now on the point where the hand is raised up, I'm planning to do a kind of like stretch animation so that it can be able to show the feeling of it moving. I don't think maybe you get it, but it's just something to show exaggeration in the movement. Then I just started doing a sketch of how the hand is going to come down because I didn't have any thought of it, like any idea of how the hand is actually going to be moving. So I just wanted to put it there and see how things will look if I do it the same way I'm planning to do it. So I have to stretch it and squeeze it with the anchor point and the lasso tool so that it can be able to have this kind of bouncing effect, just like the 12 principles of animation said. The first one says squish and stretch. That is what I'm trying to do in this animation. Now he's going to come down a little bit, as a leg bending situation. So after I do that, which therefore leads to him being able to carry his leg up for this hand peace sign animation. So you might want to make every part of his body showing the movement and motion. Then now he brings his leg down as he brings his hand down too, and as you can see, I'm obviously following the sketch that I already put out, and the hand and legs are all showing the same emotion that he's actually feeling at this point, because as an animator you need to make it a little bit warm, sweet and cool around the edges. Now I arrange the layers in first the body, which is the fire, second the legs and hands, which will be under, the eyes and mouth, which will be above, and any other thing that I need in the animation. Right now it's time for me to start animating the eyes. I tried different types of eyes and mouth, which I was saying it wasn't good, so I have to use this one at the later end. Now I'm going to actually make these eyes do a little bit of bouncing effect with the lasso tool. Come on, I can't be redrawing the eyes over and over again. It will have a lot of errors. So then I decided to do this kind of closing eye animation, which I think is good. Tell me what you guys think. So time for me to draw some smear lines that we'll be going with the animation, because the eyes is moving up and down. Then I draw the mouth, which looks like a weird smiling face now, but it still look good. So now I draw a little bit kind of squish and stretch in the mouth, which kind of makes it good, because I also squish and stretch the body, so the facial features too should be squished and stretched. So now I draw the teeth. And I duplicate it. Then I color it. Oh wait, I need to do. Yeah, I color it and make sure that it goes throughout the entire frames. And now I draw the background. Sorry, I didn't actually make a video of me drawing the background. It's because of my recording stopped without me knowing. So I draw the background. And then I'm almost complete with the animation, and this is it, guys. If you love this video, please consider giving me a like and subscribe. It really means a lot, because I'm the only one doing this video and I'm still a student. Thank you very much. Okay, I promised you guys something at the end of this video, and this is it. This is how to animate fire, very easy and very basic. I hope you like it.